Okay, so let's start with the next question. Question number 13 of your numerical. A screw gauge. So again we are talking about screw gauge has 50 division. Okay, so instead of 100 we have to note this down that it has 50 division only on its circular scale, and its screw move by 1 millimeter. So screw move by 1 millimeter when on turning it by 2 revolution. So basically we are talking about pitch here, because pitch is number of division is 1 revolution. So now we have given 2 revolution. Okay, so when the flat end of the screw is in contact with the stud, so that means the screw gauge is closed completely. So 0 of the circular scale is in the line with the baseline. Okay, so that means the error we have to calculate along with that. Okay, so they have asked 3 questions. First is pitch, least count, and the 0 error of the screw gauge. Okay, so we'll first write the data we have. The number of division on the circular scale, which is equals to 50. It is given already. Okay, then the distance moved in 2 revolution. Distance moved in 2 revolution is 1 mm, but we are not interested in 2 revolution to find out the pitch. We are interested in only distance moved by in 1 revolution. So that will be 1 mm divided by 2, which is equals to 0.05 0.05 centimeters or 0.5 millimeter. So we'll be using 0.5 millimeter. Okay, so basically we have calculated the pitch value, which was the first question. Okay, now the second question, the least count of the instrument. So we know that the least count is equals to what? Pitch divided by the number of division on circular scale, which is equals to 0.5 millimeter divided by 100. No, they have given 50 division. Okay, so this mistake you can do probably. So we can write this as 5 divided by 5 into 100. Okay, which is equals to 1 by 100, which is 0.01 millimeters. Okay, the second question is clear now. Now the third question. As it is given that the 0 of the circular scale is in line with the baseline, so that means if it is directly in line, okay, and it is also given that the 4th division of the circular scale is in line. Okay, basically the question is wrong. The 4th division of the circular scale is in line with the baseline. Okay, so here what we have to calculate is the 0 error. So 4th division means it will be a positive error. Okay, so the number of division, 0 error will be the number of division multiplied by the least count, which will be equals to positive 4 into 0.01, which is equals to 0.04 millimeter positive. So this will be the error. Okay, thank you.